Hello my dear collectors. Welcome to my channel DIECAST Depot 23. Today we will unbox this Formula 1 car set of 5. So let me quickly unbox this for you. In the meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe. So guys, this one from Oracle Red Bull Racing Team. With nice and glowing paint, with all the brand logos, looks great. Okay, so next one is Mercedes-AMG Petronas Racing Team. Same nice black in color with all brand and Mercedes logo. Looks nice. Now next, this one is from Alpine BWT Racing Team. Nice blue color, looks vibrant. Nice car. Next one is the Whitey Mighty from Monogram Haas F1 team. White in color, looks very nice and beautiful. So this one is the Atlassian Williams Racing Team. Nice logo branding in blue color, looks great. So that's all in this video guys. Thank you for watching, kindly like and subscribe, and do tell what you want next to unbox. Cheers.